Can the ICC address crimes of gender-based persecution effectively? Breaking news from the world of international law. The question on many minds right now is whether the International Criminal Court can effectively address crimes of gender-based persecution. Just yesterday, the International Criminal Court issued arrest warrants for Taliban leaders on charges of crimes against humanity related to gender-based persecution in Afghanistan. This is a significant development that highlights the ongoing struggle for women's rights in conflict zones. The International Criminal Court's actions relate to systematic violations against women and girls, including restrictions on education and freedom of movement. These charges reflected a broader concern about how gender-based persecution is treated under international humanitarian law, including the Geneva Conventions. The International Criminal Court has jurisdiction over Afghanistan, allowing it to prosecute crimes committed there. However, the effectiveness of the International Criminal Court faces serious challenges. First, Afghanistan is not currently a state party to the Rome Statute, complicating enforcement. The Taliban regime has rejected the court's authority, claiming its actions are based on Islamic law. This refusal to cooperate creates a significant barrier to justice. Additionally, the political realities surrounding the Taliban's regime further limit the International Criminal Court's ability to secure arrests. With only Russia recognizing the Taliban's government, the lack of international consensus hampers the court's efforts. This political context makes it difficult for the International Criminal Court to compel cooperation from those in power. Another challenge is the protection of victims and witnesses. The International Criminal Court has kept the warrants under seal to ensure safety for those involved. This protective measure is essential but also complicates evidence gathering in conflict zones where gender-based persecution occurs. Despite these hurdles, the issuance of arrest warrants serves as a formal international condemnation of gender-based crimes. It raises awareness and may deter further abuses. The International Criminal Court's actions reinforce the principle that such violations are subject to international scrutiny. In summary, while the International Criminal Court has the legal framework to address gender-based persecution, its effectiveness is limited by political and practical obstacles. The recent actions against Taliban leaders mark an important attempt to uphold protections for civilians. However, achieving real accountability will require broader international cooperation and enforcement mechanisms.